capsicum, onion, carrots. I'm already sick of it. And I completely reorganized my wardrobe, so. That's really good. Hello my friends, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today it is Monday, but it's actually like 4 p.m. I just got home. I've been out all day at meetings and I went grocery shopping on the way home because I had absolutely no groceries. So I thought I'd give you a little grocery haul. This is actually probably a decent sized grocery haul for me. This is the first proper grocery shop I've done in this house. I've just grabbed little bits and pieces before today, but I really needed to just knuckle down and get a bunch of stuff so that I can make proper meals and proper snacks and whatever else. So I'll show you what I got. This is a little overview. I'm just watching my friend Alex Mayato. I'm watching her vlog. She's the best. I will link her down below if I remember. You guys need to check out her videos. They're the best. But anyway, I have some spring onions, spinach, capsicum, onion, carrots, avocado, some bananas. I'm gonna make some banana bread later this week. I think I've decided as part of like my snacks for this week. I also have some grapes and oranges for snacking on, some eggs, some dark chocolate chips again for the banana bread, some wholemeal flour, self-raising flour, plain flour, brown sugar and white sugar. These are all pantry staples because I have all my jars that are all empty, so I need to fill those back up again for all my baking. Then I have some bread, some wraps. I got 2 little jars of coconut oil for cooking. I have some sesame oil and some soy sauce for one of the meals I'm making this week, and some milk. And that's everything that I got for this week. Good morning guys, it is like 5 a.m. and today I am heading off to a workout, a PT session, a group PT session. Georgia goes all the time and I've decided finally that I need to go because I just haven't been working out as much as I would like to. I haven't really been doing any high intensity workouts. I've done a little walks and runs and things, but I just need to get back into my groove. I used to be so fit and I just am not anymore, and I just want to look after my body. So today I'm trying something new. I'm stepping way out of my comfort zone and I'm going to this group PT session to test it out, and if I like it then I will sign up properly and do it probably a few times a week. But if I'm being honest, it is the last thing I want to do right now, but I know that I need to go. I had such a big day yesterday and now my body is just like, nah. But I need to go, I need to get it done. The first time is going to be the hardest and then hopefully it'll get easier. Fingers crossed. Hello friends, it is now a lot later. I definitely forgot to update you right after my workout, but it went pretty well. Obviously it wasn't like fun. I don't really enjoy working out at this point. Hopefully soon I will. It was definitely a good workout though. I am so sore walking up and down those stairs after that workout. I'm already sick of it. But the rest of the day I've just been working at home. This is my only day to work at home this week, so I'm trying to make the most of it, and I have been pretty productive. But I'm about to do some cleaning. My camera is flashing dead, so I might just do a before and after. I want to do some organizing. It's not super messy, but it definitely needs a clean. So I just have some stuff to put away. I need to put my pillows back on my bed. I need to put the washing away. I also want to hang up all of my t-shirts now since I have the space. I'll put them in here. Need to put those clothes away. That actually might be it. I think I just need to clean my desk a little bit maybe. Yeah, that can be tidied up a bit, but I just want to get that sorted as well. So I'll update you when things are clean. Okay, so I finished cleaning my room. This is what it looks like. All of this is clear. This is all clear, and I completely reorganized my wardrobe, so it's looking better. Still a few things I want to do to it, but so much better than it was. All my clothes are put away. Got my fiddle leaf just draining there because I just watered him, and it's time for me to head to Bible study, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow. 12 and I have about 2 hours until I have to leave to go to work. So I'm just trying to do some work at home. I just got changed because I was actually kind of hot in my other outfit. So I changed into this and then I just did a little Instagram story of like an outfit of the day post wearing this little outfit that I'm wearing. Very cute. I'm trying to be more active on my Instagram, and so I thought it would be fun if I do little outfit of the day posts every now and then, not every single day. Then I just did some emails and sent off an invoice to a brand that I finished working with, and now I'm trying to figure out what else I need to do. I might do some editing. I just imported a bunch of footage because I want to upload another video tomorrow. I really love editing, but only in certain time blocks. So I love editing for like 2 or 3 hours at a time, but usually a video will take me like maybe like 3 lots of 3-hour blocks, possibly more, possibly less, depends on the video, but I would say it usually takes around 10 hours ish to edit a video, and I like to do it in little blocks because I feel like I give it a lot more attention and intentionality when I do it in smaller blocks rather than just like sitting for a whole day at a time. I also don't really have a whole day to sit and edit because I'm out doing a bunch of different things, but I just find that I'm more excited when I'm not doing it all at once. So I'll probably do some editing and a couple little things, but then I have to head off to work and I'm working till 7, so let's go. So earlier today I made banana bread. I actually made the mixture and then didn't have enough time to cook it before I went out, so I put it in the fridge and then I cooked it when I came home and it smells so good. This is a recipe that Michelle Reed posted. It hasn't got any sugar in it. It just uses honey and coconut oil and wholemeal flour. Obviously it's not the healthiest thing in the world, but it's definitely a lot healthier than normal banana bread. But I haven't tried any yet and it's just come out of the oven. It's still warm, so I want to try it. It's still kind of hot, so I'm a bit scared. That's really good. It obviously doesn't taste like there's a whole lot of sugar in it because there isn't, but it still tastes really good. Such a good snack. 2 thumbs up. I added choc chips because I think banana and chocolate is like the best combo, but you definitely don't have to if you want it to be even healthier. But I'm gonna freeze half of this loaf and the other half I'll use just for snacks throughout the week, but this is great. I don't know if I still have the recipe, but if I do, I'll link it for you guys. Hello my friends, today it is Friday. Friday is always just such a big day for me and I'm already overwhelmed and I still have so much of the day left. This morning I woke up at 4, started work at 5, worked until about 11:45 and then got home at about just after 12. I had some food because I hadn't eaten all day, and then at 12:30 to 1:30 I just edited or finished editing a vlog, or almost finished editing. I still have to proof watch it but I just don't have the time right now. And now from 12:30 till 1 I'm gonna get ready, and then at 1 I have to head over to the shops and get all the stuff I need for youth tonight, and by the time I get into the church it'll probably be about 2 or 2:30 and I'll be there till 10:30 at night. So my day starts at 4 AM, I'll probably get to bed at around 11, and then I've got a workout class tomorrow morning at 6. So it's gonna be a crazy time. I already have no energy left and I need a lot of energy, so this is gonna be interesting. But I'm gonna jump in the shower real quick, get ready for church and youth tonight, and I'll talk to you guys later. So I finished setting up now. We have a primary youth program and a high school youth program, and they run kind of consecutively. So I've set all the stuff up for the high school stuff, but right now the primary youth is running. So I'll wait for them to be done, then I'll set up my last couple things, and then it's time for youth. And then afterwards we pack it all away again. So there's a little insight into what my Fridays look like. I'm about to do some more computer work because I have about an hour, and I'll probably have some dinner as well because this is like the little bit of time that I have in between. But I hope that was a little bit interesting for you, and I'll probably just see you tomorrow. Hello friends, it is now Saturday. It's actually almost the end of Saturday. It's about 5:30, 5:15, something like that. I was out and about all morning with George, and then I went and hung out with my boyfriend all afternoon, which was so fun. But now I'm home and I'm gonna try and have a productive night. I think George and I are gonna head out to grab a quick dinner at like Cafe 63 or something. I've just been craving it, and so I want to get it. So we thought, let's have a little gals night. My boyfriend's having a night with the boys, so I may just have a night with the gals, which will be really, well, one gal, George, but still excited about it. And then both of us need to be really productive, get some editing done, just some YouTube work, content stuff. But I'm about to go clean up my room because it's a bit of a mess, and there are just, it's basically just clothes everywhere and a little bit of tidying up. But come on guys, I'll take you along. This is the situation I'm dealing with right now. A lot of this stuff is actually clean. I just was too lazy to hang it up again. And then there are a couple things around my room, not a lot, just a quick tidy up in here. Oh my goodness, so good. I'm so hungry and so excited. Has a hash brown in there. Oh wow. Good morning guys, it's now Sunday, and today I've just had a pretty productive morning just doing housework and little random things like that, planning my next week. But it's almost 9 AM and we have a friend Alex coming over, so she's gonna come see our new place, and then we're gonna head out for breakfast, and then this afternoon we just have church stuff. So not a crazy busy day, but I'm really excited to see Alex. We haven't seen her in forever. I feel like we didn't see a lot of friends during the move and stuff because we were just so busy, so there's a lot of people we want to catch up with, but we're slowly gonna see them all eventually. But Alex is one of my favorite people. She's just like a ray of sunshine, so I'm very excited. I'll show you guys my outfit, why not? This is my outfit. So I'm wearing these really cute little earrings from Princess Polly. They're my favorite earrings that I own. They have a little, is it a dragonfly or a bee? I think it's a bee, hanging from a little dainty hoop. I adore them. This top is actually thrifted. I got it for like $2 or something. And then I'm wearing a little white denim skirt from, I think this is Princess Polly as well, and I haven't got shoes on right now. And here's George. I'm gonna go get my clothes off the line now. Look who I'm with. It's Alex. We actually just finished breakfast. We had acai bowls and a veggie stack. It was very good. So Alex left a little while ago, and I've just been working on some content for the last, oh it's really dark, for the last like hour or two. Just trying to get prepared for the week. I have some content that I'm doing for some companies and brands and things, so I'm trying to get them all sorted. And I'm doing a really fun one at the moment, so I thought I'd show you. It looks like a bit of a mess right now, but I basically have to put on all these different outfits, and they're kind of like represent a different color, and each color represents a different personality. And I've got a purple one over here, and I'm just using self timer. So this is what it looks like on this little tripod, which has this little phone connected part. It's really, really handy. I'll show you each outfit too. We have outfit number one, kind of just like a boss lady kind of vibe. I love this dress. I think it's so cool. Moving on to the next one. Second one is this one. It's red. It's pretty fun. I like this one a lot. Outfit number three, a little lilac moment. And last outfit is this little orange one. And now I'm in my church outfit. So just a little black top and some jeans, and I'm gonna wear my Birks. So let's go to church. It's just hit 9 PM and I am ready to go to bed. I'm literally about to hop in bed and get to sleep. I feel like I'm such a grandma, but I love getting to bed by 9 PM. And I do have to wake up at 4 tomorrow to get to work by 5. So I feel like it's a good idea to get to sleep early. But I hope you enjoyed this weekly vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.